Hey friends, today we are going to look at custom formatting options in Excel. So many a times we might be in a situation wherein we can't confront and use the generic formats which is in there in the Excel sheet. So in those particular cases we would need to edit the format and customize it to our requirements. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. So let's jump on the screen. Hey guys, so let us take the cell B2 as example. So I want to define my own format for the cell B2. So the first step I am going to do is right click on the cell and click something called as format cells. So once I click format cells, I get options like this. So from this option, I have to select something called as custom. And once I click custom, in the right hand side I get various options. So whatever we are seeing down below is the format which we have created before and we have used before, and to define a new format we have to click here wherein it says general and delete this general. Now we can create our own formats. So the first parameter for creating our own format is we have to define how the positive value should be displayed and separated with a semicolon, and then the second parameter is how negative value should be displayed and then separated with a semicolon, and then how zero should be displayed. So let me take an example here. So now I want positive values to be displayed as green. So I'm gonna just type green here. And about the decimals, so I do not want any decimals to be displayed. So I'm gonna just type hash. So the next is semicolon. The second parameter is how I'm gonna define my negative values. So negative values should be followed with negative sign, and it should be displayed in red. So I'm gonna type red here inside the brackets, and my negative values I want to show decimals. So I'm gonna select hash dot how many decimals I want to show. Two decimals. So post dot I'm gonna type two hashes, and the next is I'm gonna uh, select how zero should be displayed. So zero should be displayed as black without any decimals. So if I don't want to show any decimals, I can just leave it as black and continue. So let's see how this turns out. Yeah. So minus 500.12 is displayed like this. So if I change the value to $400 or 400.22, so only 400 is displayed in green. And if I select 0, it will be displayed as black. So I'm gonna just change this slightly. So here, uh, before red, here I want to show negative sign. Let's see how this works. In our first format, if I display my minus 500, only 500 will be displayed in red. So now I'm showing minus 500.12. Let's see. So I got double minus here. So let's look at the format. See, I've used two minus signs. So I want no minus signs here. And if it is a positive value, I want to display dollar sign before this. So I'm gonna include dollar and say okay. So now, even if I type minus 500.12, I don't get a minus sign behind this, and I get only 500.12 in red color. So if I type 400.12, I get dollar 400. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys today. So if you like my video, click like button, and for more such videos, click subscribe button.